Good morning. It is 4th of May, 2021. Welcome to Streamline News. Well, this is John Wavewell. The focus of this morning news is about the increasing COVID-19 cases in India. The cases have reached approximately 20 million, including many deaths. European countries are trying their best to provide aids to Indian people. It is 12th the reports have mentioned the cases have crossed 300,000. However, death tolls have reached 3,420. Relatives and monks are burning the bodies of their deads. Media highlighted that there are lines for deads waiting to be burnt, but there is no place. Further, the second largest population of the world is facing very tough circumstances. Every day there is 300,000 COVID-19 cases. The health care system is weak and there is lack of oxygen in hospitals. Many states applied the strategy of lockdown, including New Delhi, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha and some other states. Unfortunately, a number of ships with huge loads have diverted from Indian ports because of the virus. Some cargoes loaded with liquefied natural gas (LNG) have put their path to northern Asia, Kuwait and Europe. To get rid of the COVID-19 infection, let's watch this clip.
The world COVID cases have reached a new peak. The devastating numbers are driven by India. Nearly 400,000 new cases and more than 3,600 deaths in the last 24 hours. But with hospitals and morgues completely full, people are dying at home and being cremated here. Their lives are not being officially counted.
When the cases started rising up, I thought government had a plan, but turns out they didn't. Within the first week, I understood that the governments have no idea. They're not prepared for anything.
International aid has started arriving from the U.S. Oxygen cylinders, PPE, and diagnostic testing. 150,000 vaccine doses from Russia. But for a country of 1.4 billion people, it will barely make a dent.
People are not dying because of the disease. People are dying because they are not getting medical care. That is sufficient reason to feel angry.
Starting Tuesday, flights will be restricted to the states from India. The move comes as the U.S. faces an entirely different reality. Cases now falling in more than 24 states. In Georgia, restrictions being lifted.
Personally, I'm excited about it.
Until we know that everyone is vaccinated and it's truly safe out here for all of us, we'll continue to do what we have to do to keep others safe and ourselves safe.
Now, the good news with that Indian variant B.1.617, which has already been detected here in the UK and in multiple U.S. states, well, early data suggests that vaccines are working against that mutation. Now, the bad news for India, of course, is that vaccines administered today, this week, really aren't going to start saving lives for another couple of weeks.
2 players have been tested positive in IPL match, said the Indian cricket website. The authorities have postponed the matches till further notification. However, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government is under criticism over controlling the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. That's why BJP have lost elections in many states. It was the news of this morning. This is John Wavewell with you. Have a good day.